Hi YouTube, welcome to my another episode. Today I'm going to show you how to install LED high beam for 2018 Honda CRV, and here's the product itself. For 2018 you need a 9005, just in case you want to know. If you have a different vehicle, check your owner manual. It's going to show you the bulbs, correct bulb size. And here is the product. You can see there's a no LED driver or anything. It's really well constructed, all aluminum. And here's the chip itself. You can see right there. This is the cop LED. I seen the review everywhere says this FS2 edition is really brighter, so today I'm gonna try how bright is that. Let me show you what does it look like after the install, and also how does it look like. Here you can see as my dear light is on. Let me show you how does it look like a regular constant bulb. So I want to see it's really brighter than this or not. Let's get to it. Okay, here you can see this is a 2018 Honda CRV, and here's the bulb. Just look at the bulb. This is your high beam right here. You can see that's the reflector. That's the high beam, and the projector. This one right here. This is the low beam. So we're gonna work on this today on as a high beam. The high beam, if you look it from here, right there to right there, you can see right here, that's your high beam. To open it is really easy. You just take it out as the counterclockwise. You can see you have to open the socket first. You have to press, tab it, tab and push it down. See, it's really easy. Nothing is really difficult to get it. Here's the regular yellow bulb. Here you can see, put it counterclockwise like this, open like this. Here's the regular yellow bulb. So let's put the new LEDs. Here's the new LED bulb itself. It's really easy to install. You just have to push it and lock it to regular clockwise right here. So you have to find the tab. Once you find the tab, just lock it just like that. It's easy. Now you have to connect the regular socket right here. So always make sure this tab right here is gonna go right there. So just match it. If it doesn't work, no worries. It's just you have to flip it. It's gonna work. Right here. Okay, it's done. So I'm gonna same thing. Do it right there. So after install, let me show you how it looks like. Okay, here's the final product after the install. See, it's really bright. It's really brighter than, way brighter than the regular yellow halogen bulb. I'm just assuming, like, if I give somebody the high beam, they're gonna be stuff. And let me show you how it look like. That's my regular Auxbeam F16 series low beam as a headlight, and with the high beam. How does it look like?